This is our 60-year-old porch, the way it looked for years while we were restoring other areas of the property, and here is our latest upgrade to the porch, handmade gingerbread fretwork. We made this fretwork from spindles and wood trim, which we got at Lowe's. We used 29 spindles and 6 1x2s. We checked each piece by laying them on the floor to make sure they were straight, not warped, and since the spindles were on sale, all of the pieces came to just $30. We cut our spindles to 7.5 inches long. It doesn't matter how long you cut your spindles or what section of the spindles you want for your fretwork, but it does matter that each one is the exact same length. So you'll want to use your guides that come with your saw or tape blocks to help you with precise cuts. Always make sure your saw blade comes to a complete stop before you remove your wood. We cut the spindles assembly line style, cutting off all the bottoms first, then all the tops. Then we had to cut the trim wood to fit between the columns. Here I am checking the fit. After this was done, we needed to glue the spindles to the 1x2s, and it doesn't really matter how far apart the spindles are, but what's really important is that they're as evenly spaced as you can get them. We used a ruler and a pencil to make a mark where each spindle would go, and then we dipped the bottom of the spindle into tight bond glue to attach them to the wood. And then later, after this dried, we turned the fretwork over and we put nails into each spindle to hold everything in place. Then we were able to give everything a coat of primer and let that dry. Then came the fun part. We attached the fretwork to the porch itself. We nailed the fretwork into place without the bottom trim, and that was to make sure our nail gun would fit between the spindles. Now we can put this last piece of edging on to finish the look. And we dabbed a little bit of glue at the bottom of each spindle, then nailed the bottom edge of the fretwork into place. Here's the last piece being nailed on, with the nails going through the trim into each spindle. And that's it. It really wasn't difficult or expensive. Consistency in the cutting and the spacing was key. This summer, we'll seal and paint the fancy work and the fiberglass on the front. And it looks like we're going to be needing some more gingerbread for the doorway. That gets our creative juices going again. Well, until next time, see you later. Be inspirational. Be wonderful. Be surprising. Be sweet. Be creative. Be astounding. Be all these things and more at SteffiMcCarthy.com.